Whether you're spraying large professional spaces, farmland, or just the lawn and landscaping around your home, you know how that constant pumping action can tire your muscles. Now there's a much better way. Step up to the innovative 441 lithium-ion backpack sprayer from Solo. Its robust 11.1-volt lithium-ion battery gives you up to 2.5 hours of running time on a 2-hour charge. Versatile, affordable, lightweight with only 8.4 pounds dry weight, and proudly made in the USA, this is the ideal solution for home and professional jobs, including general spraying, weed control, and gardening. The speed tip nozzle offers 3 different settings with a turn of the dial: jet stream, flat spray, and full cone mist, so you get efficient, optimal coverage without all the tiresome pumping. The removable lightweight battery at 0.4 pound is specially designed for spraying applications, unlike some heavy batteries that can be used with string trimmers and air blowers. And we've incorporated user-friendly features like a 48-inch nylon reinforced high-pressure hose for extended reach and an integrated carry handle for easy transport and maneuvering. The 20-inch unbreakable wand stores easily in its own holder, protected from dirt and damage by a special opening integrated in the tank base. A commercial shutoff valve with its lock-on, lock-off feature reduces operator fatigue. The sprayer's 4-gallon HDPE tank is UV resistant and has a large 4.75-inch opening with a quick locking lid. The filter basket can be easily removed for cleaning and prevents the liquid from contamination with dirt and debris when filling to avoid clogging the pump. Its stable base ensures that it won't tip over when filling. Solo's ergonomic tank contours to your back, and adjustable padded shoulder straps provide extra comfort. Take the work out of your spraying jobs with the 441 backpack sprayer from Solo, the better choice since 1948.